Let's explore ChatGPT's new video maker together. We're going to find out what's it do, what can't it do, and is it worth 20 bucks a month? Okay, so let's try and make a video. So I want to make a video of a miniature golden retriever piloting a spaceship, and he's pushing a bunch of controls and going into light speed. You got your options here. This is the upload stuff, which we'll look at later. Okay, here we got some presets. Your aspect ratios. Now, the Plus plan only lets you do 480p or 720p. If you want to do HD 1080 and some of the other features, then you have to get their super expensive $200 a month Pro plan, which I'm not really doing for this video. And you're also going to be capped at 10 seconds, but you can see here you can go up to 20 if you really like this tool and you fork out the cash for it. And it'll have two variations. Okay, so we can see two different versions of it. You could do a storyboard if you want to link a bunch of videos together. So let's just try this and see how it goes. So add it to the queue. And it'll take a few seconds, maybe a little longer. Let's see. All right, so about 30 seconds. Okay, so we have two different videos. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, not too bad. A little cartoony, looks okay. You can see it messes up on the G and light speed here. But all right. Kind of cute. And let's look at the other one. He's in there. Oh, it got the words right here. And the dog's waving. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Here you can make new videos from the prompt we did. View a story. So let's go ahead and do a storyboard. So here we can do action, sequencing, timing. So kind of like making your own movie. Interesting. So here they added their own words to it. Light speed. Nice. Okay. So here's our storyboard. What happens if we hit this create button? It's going to add it to the queue. All right. He kind of morphs into a bigger dog there. But the background's kind of cool. Got the spacing going on. Let's look at the next one. That one looks a lot more realistic, and he's actually using the controls. Although the warping effect here is kind of weird. All right. So this is pretty fun, but keep in mind that you cannot make unlimited videos. So you can see here, I'm on the Plus plan. That's a $20 a month. That includes the regular ChatGPT Plus features and access to Sora. So you can see it, I have 750 credits to make videos, which I think comes out to about 50 videos in a month. So going here, you can see here, lower resolution videos cost less credits, remix, blends, etc. It'll show you here how they get spent. So a little bit less to do those features. So you can see here you get 50 videos on the plan that I'm on Plus. If you do the Pro plan, it's 500 videos, but it's also about 200 bucks a month. Let's try and upload a random picture from the internet. Try and animate a meme. So immediately I get hit with this media upload agreement. And they make you check all these boxes. and accept that you're not going to upload anything with people under the age of 18 or without their consent. Make sure you have all the rights, or they'll ban you and give you no refund. And you can't upload anything with people. So I did some research into this. It's not just this account. I also looked into folks with the pro account, and it sounds like they don't have much luck generating videos with people either. So if you want to do like what I had in mind of take pictures of myself and turn me into a superhero or do awesome stuff with video, well, you can't do that with this tool. So, got it. And let's go to Sora. Let's take this picture I grabbed of a pit bull in a car with sunglasses, and let's see if we can animate it. Make the dog look slowly towards the screen, and then pan out and show the car driving past. Let's make that one 10 seconds because we want to show the full effect. We'll do one video, see what it does. All right, let's see. Okay. So, all right, it did animate it. Not bad. I'm looking to see if the sunglasses or anything like morphed or changed to make it look super AI-ish. But so far, this is pretty good. He kept his shades. He has his two paws. Not too bad. And it got the zoom out the way I wanted. All right. All right, so let's try and animate another meme and see if we are blocked. So we're going to try the distracted boyfriend meme. And I'm going to tell it, animate the scene, make the girl on the right slap him, and he spins 180 and falls to the floor. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. Oh, you could see it looks like it failed. Click to retry. Error running this prompt. Media contains people. So that's unfortunate. No fun. See, he's sad there and everything. That's me being sad. Let's see if Sora can make me a cool intro for my channel. So, make an animation of a sketching of a circuit board. Really techie. Then make the words level it up emerge on the screen. This is for my YouTube channel intro. All right, let's try that. We'll make it 720 because I want really good quality. Oh, and we can only do 5 seconds at that resolution. So, all right. And give me 2 videos, see how they come out. Here we go. Okay. It's almost cool. Almost. Let's see. So, there's weird spacing here. But it kind of worked. This one just said level up. I kind of like this one on the left a little more. So let's see if we can fix it. Of a hand drawing a sketch of a circuit board. Then make the words level it up emerge on the screen. Yeah. Let's try that. I just want one video this time. Cool, cool. Let's try it. Let's see if it fixes it. Oof. You could really see some of the issues here. A lot of AI jank. So, one, he's not actually drawing. He puts his hand on there, and his pencil also has two sharpened ends, which looks bizarre. I mean, pretty amazing that it's making this stuff out of just a prompt, but it kind of still needs more time in the oven. That's how I'm feeling about this. Yeah, more time in the oven. Let's try one last video. Let's see. I've heard this is really good at things that are not so realistic and kind of cartoons can be more forgiving. So make me a cartoon of a Dungeons and Dragons style party. And the lead is a fox dressed like a Viking, and his companions are a thief who is also a rabbit and a monk who is a brown bear. They are walking through a trail with mountains in the background. The sun is rising and they have full packs starting their adventure. Let's see. Let's make this 480p and give it 10 seconds for more stuff to work with. Now let's just do one video. Let's go. Okay. Interesting. So it made a cartoon. There's our Viking fox. His perspective is really kind of weird. We got the monk bear and the rabbit there. I guess I could tweak this. It's an animation. It's not exactly what I imagined, but not horrible, but not great. That's kind of the way I see it. Not as impressive as the stuff that you see on the homepage, but all right, sure. So is this cool? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Cool to see what AI videos can do. Is it worth it? $20? No, not really. Uh, who is this really for? I mean, if you're creative and maybe you're trying to storyboard a few different things, yeah, but AI is not going to be making Hollywood style films anytime soon. There's still a lot of work that has to get done. It's still very early phases, and I'm not really concerned about it making full movies uh, that match kind of human creativity. But hey, it can do cool stuff. If you really want to check it out, and you already use ChatGPT Plus regularly, I mean, Sora is included with it. If you use ChatGPT every day and you're thinking about getting the Plus plan, it might be worth it, but not for Sora. In my opinion, I just don't see too much value in it. Uh, Maybe as it evolves, it might become more of a tool, but right now, it's too many restrictions. Not a lot of fun things you can do with it, and yeah, it's just a little too limited right now. So hope to see more cool stuff in the future. But that's my review. Thanks.